How three cars should pass each other at an unregulated intersection, a traffic rules task. Most accidents occur at intersections, which can be either regulated or unregulated. Drivers must follow the rules for passing through unregulated intersections and the relevant road signs installed at the intersection. Try to test your knowledge with this interesting quiz. Determine the order of passage in the picture. Problem conditions. What is the order of priority for vehicles at this intersection? Answer options. 1. Blue, red, yellow. 2. Red, yellow, blue. 3. Yellow, red, blue. Explanation. The picture shows an intersection of roads of equal importance. Traffic regulations stipulate that at an intersection of roads of equal importance, the driver of a non-rail vehicle must give way to vehicles approaching from the right, except at intersections where roundabout traffic is organized. Remember that according to the traffic rules, at an intersection of unequal roads, the driver of a vehicle traveling on a secondary road must give way to vehicles approaching the intersection on the main road, regardless of their further direction of travel. Correct answer. First, the red car will pass, then the yellow and blue cars. The correct answer is 2.
Oh yeah!